This handheld laser welding machine adopts well-known brands Laser, Raycus, JPT, Max or IPG. Please ensure that the machine is properly grounded before it working. With high electro-optical conversion efficiency and long laser life. It's mainly used for large workpieces, fixed inner right angles, outer right angles, plate welding, overlap welding and other type welding. Small heat affected during welding, small deformation, large welding depth, and firm welding. Applicable materials: stainless steel, carbon steel, alloy steel, spring steel, copper plate, aluminum plate, etc. The available power is 1000 watt, 1500 watt, 2000 watt, with built-in chiller for cooling. The wobble function makes the material to be welded perfectly even when the spacing gap is large. The whole machine has low energy consumption, maintenance-free, high stability, and long-term use can save users a lot of processing costs. It also have optional auto wire feeder,